Hello children, viewers. So today I am going to solve some problems on mirror formula as well as its magnification formula. So before going to solve any problem, first of all we have to read the problem thoroughly, and after that so you have to identify the problem is belongs to concave mirror or convex mirror. And second one is, so what are the given data in this problem you have to write, and after that you have to select the suitable formula, and after that apply the sign convention. After applying the sign convention, only you have to substitute the values in the given formula. So then after simplify you get the result. So now I am coming to this problem. So the problem is an object of 4 cm high placed at a distance of 6 cm in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. That is nothing but the problem belongs to concave mirror. So a focal length 12 cm. So we have to find the position, nature and size of the image formed. And in this problem, so an object distance is given, height is given, and the concave mirror focal length is given. So first of all, what is the data given? We have to write. So the object distance is how much? 6 cm. The object distance is represented with the letter U. U equal to how much? 6 cm. And next one, what is given? An object of 4 cm high, and nothing but height of the object given. Height of object is represented with letter H0, and it is how much? 4 cm. And then after, what is given? A concave mirror of focal length 12 cm. So the focal length of concave mirror is given, that is how much? 12 cm. And next, so these are given data. So after that, what you have to find? Also you have to write. So what you have to find? Find the position of the image, and nothing but you have to find the image distance. And after that you have to find the size of image, and nothing but you have to find the height of the image. And as well as you also write the nature. So the nature will be decided by the sign. If you get the minus, already I told what you have to write. If you get the plus, what you have to write. So if you get the minus, so which type of image? Which type of image? Minus means real inverted. Real inverted. So plus means virtual erected. You have to remember these two things. And next, so to find the, first of all, to find the height of the image, you have to find the image distance. So that's why, which formula you have to use? Mirror formula. So what is the mirror formula? The formula for this problem is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So after finding this image distance, and you know the object distance, so then after find the magnification. So by using this magnification formula, you can find the height of the image. So but before substituting these values in this problem, we have to apply sign convention. To apply the sign convention, first of all you have to draw the rough diagram. So it is a which mirror? Concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. So now this is a concave mirror. So what is the focal length? 12 cm. So then where the radius of curvature is like this, and nothing but you have to find the radius of curvature also. What is the radius of curvature? R equal to 2f. So 2 into f means here how much? 12. So that's why R is equal to how much? 24 cm. And nothing but from pole to center of curvature is 24, and focal length is nothing but from pole to focus is 12 cm. But where is the object? At 6 cm. And nothing but, so the object is between pole and focus, because so the focus is how much distance? The focal length distance is how much? 12 cm. From here to here 12 cm. and from pole to center of curvature is 24 centimeter. But what is the object distance? The object distance is 6 centimeter, and you have to guess. So the object is here. And the object is between pole and focus. When you know that different types of image formed by the mirror, you can guess this is which type of image. It is a virtual and erect, and it can form it behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. So already you get the nature. What is that? Virtual and erect. So under nothing but to get the virtual and erect, so the V must become plus. Then only you get the virtual erect. So that I am going to find out. So now apply the sign convention. To apply the sign convention, first you have to identify. So incident ray direction. Now this object, from this object, top of the object, the incident rays are coming towards the mirror. So now this is the incident ray direction. So you have to apply the sign convention. So next I am applying sign convention. Applying sign convention. Applying sign convention means you have to check. So the U is positive or negative. So height of the object is positive or negative. Focal length is positive or negative. So after applying the sign convention only, you have to substitute that values in this formula. So without applying sign convention, if you substitute that values in this formula, you get the wrong answer. So now, what is object? Here the object. So now this is object. So what is object distance? The distance between the pole to object is known as object distance. So that's why to measure the object distance, what is the sign convention? First rule, all distance are measured from pole of the mirror. That's why you are finding the object distance, you are moving from pole to object. In which direction you are moving? Opposite to the incident ray. That's why the object distance become negative. So U equal to minus 6 centimeters. Okay. Next, height of the object. So the height of the object is nothing but above the principal axis. The height above the principal axis is positive. So that's why here H0 is plus 4 centimeter. Next come to the focal length. Focal length is nothing but the distance between the pole to focus. So to measure the distance between the pole to focus, in which direction you are moving? In this direction, but incident ray is opposite. That's why the focal length is also negative. F is also negative, minus 12 centimeter. Then you have to find the image. So now after applying the sign convention, that values must be substituted in this equation. So that's why when these values are substituted in this mirror formula, so what you get? 1 by F. F means how much? Minus 12 equal to 1 by V. V is unknown. So for unknown, don't apply the sign convention. It is important, very important. So plus 1 by U. U is nothing but minus 6. So then after simplify. For simplify, so my 1 by minus 1 by 12 equal to 1 by V. So plus into minus, minus 1 by 6. Now bring this minus 1 by 6 to the left side. Then 1 minus 1 by 12. This minus 1 by 6, when it goes to the left side, it becomes plus 1 by 6 equal to 1 by V. Now simplify by using LCM. So 12, 6 LCM is 12. So with what value the 12 is multiplied to get the 12? 1. So then after that 1 is multiplied with the numerator value. What is the numerator value? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Next, what is the here sign? Plus. And to get that, to multiply, with what value the 6 is multiplied to get the 12? 2. So the 2 will be multiplied with the numerator. What is the numerator? 1. So 1 into 2, 2 is equal to 1 by V. So minus 1 plus 2, that is nothing but 1 by 12 equal to 1 by V. So then after inverse, if inverse, how much you get? 12 centimeter. So here you are getting plus value. Plus means what is the nature of the image? Plus means virtual erect. So you get the positive value. That's why what is the nature of the image? Nature of image is virtual erect. This is the nature of image. And now you know the V value, image distance. Where the image is formed? The image is formed at 12 centimeter. Where? Behind the mirror. And behind the mirror, image is formed where? 12 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. So now you know the image distance. Now how can you find the size? So to find the size, you have to use the magnification formula. What is the magnification? M equal to minus V by U equal to height of the image by height of the object. So, but to find the height of the image, you have to find the magnification first of all. So, what is the magnification to find? You know the V, you know the U. But when we use this h, height of the image by height of the object, you only know the height of the object, but you doesn't know the height of the image. That's why we can't use this one. So now magnification M equal to minus. What is the V value? 12. That is plus 12. By what is U? U is nothing but minus 6. So plus into minus, minus. So this minus will be cancelled. M equal to 12 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. And how much you got? Magnification you got 2. And nothing but, so the height of the image will plus is nothing but virtual and erected. Here number represent what? Number represent the, so the height of the image will be 2 times to the height of the object. So that's why by using that you are going to calculate the size. So again, to find the size, M equal to which formula you have to use? Height of the image by height of the object. So what the magnification you got? Plus 2 is equal to height of the image you have to find. And what is the height of the object? Height of the object is how much? Minus 6. Height of the object is, height of the object is in the plus 4. Plus 4. So now when you do the cross product, height of the image is equal to 4 into 2. How much? 8 centimeter. So now again you are getting plus. Plus means what? The image is formed above the principal axis. Above the principal axis. So now you find the position, nature, size, and as well as that, so how much magnification needed. So next, moving to next problem. Now this is the second problem we have to solve. So what is the problem? Where should an object be placed to obtain the image at same position for a concave mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter. So in the problem, so what is given? Where should an object be placed so that the image will be the same position? That is nothing but where is the object position, at the same place the image is formed. So but in case of this, which type of mirror? Concave mirror. But in this problem, what is given? What is the object distance? That is U. At the same distance, which is formed? Image is formed. And nothing but, so this is the condition, U equal to V. So when the object distance is equal to image distance for concave mirror, so this is happened generally when object is placed at C. This we know already. So now if we solve the problem, then how much value of we have to get U and V? That is nothing but exactly at C. C means already given, radius of curvature 40 centimeter, that we have to solve. And when we solve the problem, so what V value of U and what the V value of we have to get? 40. We have to check. So but in the problem what is given? So the object to be placed where? So that the image is formed at the same position. And what is given? U equal to V. So let that will be considered X. And again it is a which type of problem? Concave mirror problem. And what is given? Radius of curvature is how much? 40 centimeter. R is given. R equal to how much? 40 centimeter. Then you have to find U and V. When we find the U and we also get the V. When we find the V, then also you get the V, because both are the same. So now it is a which type of problem? Concave mirror problem. So now I am drawing the rough diagram. This is the pole, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. So generally when we get the U value and V value be same, when the object is at C, so then the image is also formed at the C. And now this is object distance, this is the image distance. So the object distance is equal to image distance, that is how much? C. And after finding the problem, so the U value becomes C and the V value also C, that I am going to check. But here radius of curvature is given. But to use the mirror formula, you have to find the focal length. What is the focal length formula? F equal to R by 2. So R is nothing but 40 centimeter by 2. How much? 20 centimeter. Now which formula is suitable? The mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. But to use this formula we have to apply some convention. So for which one we have to apply sign convention? For only known values, not unknown values. Don't apply the sign convention. We doesn't know u, we doesn't know the u, and we doesn't know the v. So don't apply for the unknown values. Don't apply the sign convention for unknown values. Only apply the sign convention for known values. Only what is the known here? Focal length. So applying sign convention. Applying sign convention. So this is very important. Only we have to apply the sign convention for known value. So now focal length. Focal length is nothing but here this is the object. Let us imagine here the object is kept. Now this is the incident direction. Now to measure the focal length, from where we have to measure? Pole. From pole to focus distance is called focal length. So to measure the focal length, in which direction you are moving? Opposite direction to the incident. That's why the focal length become minus. So minus 20 centimeter. Then you substitute. But what is v? What is u? We consider x. So 1 by f. F means how much? Minus 20 equal to 1 by v means x plus 1 by u means what? X. But don't apply the sign convention for u and v because these are unknown. So now simplify it. So minus 1 by 20. So 1 by x plus 1 by x. 2 by x. Then do the cross product. So what you get? X into 1, x equal to 2 into minus 20. And nothing but minus 40. So now x is equal to what you get? Minus. So what is the minus here? The minus is represent nothing but, so the image will be inverted, and as well as the object and image will be in front of the concave mirror. So what you got? X equal to minus 40 and nothing but u equal to v equal to x, that is nothing but minus 40. And where we have to keep the object? So the object must be kept at the 40 centimeter. 40 means what here? Center of curvature, because that belongs to radius of curvature. Is it correct or not? We guessed the object should be kept at C. Now already we got the u distance and v distance will be same. And nothing but to get the, and where should the object be placed? At 40 centimeter. So then again the image is formed at the same position. So this is the problem, second problem. So now come to the third problem. So the third problem belongs to the convex mirror. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature 3 meter. So what is given in the problem? A convex mirror with a radius of curvature 3 meter is used as rear view mirror in an automobile. So this convex mirror is used as rear view mirror in automobile of radius of curvature 3 meter. So if a bus is located at 5 meters from the mirror, so find position, nature of image. So now in this problem, what is the problem? This problem belongs to convex mirror. Now imagine it is a convex mirror. So now what is the radius of this convex mirror? Given already. What is the given and what you have to find? First write. So what is the radius of curvature? R is represented with letter R. So that is given how much? 3 meter. And next what is given? A bus is located. Here the bus is located. Now consider this is the bus. This is the bus. So this bus is located how much? 5 meters from the mirror. So now that is bus can be treated as object. So here the u is given, that is how much? 5 meters. And what you have to find? Position and nature. And nothing but you have to find the image distance and as well as the nature. The nature will be given by the sign plus or minus. So now this is a given, this we have to find. So now to find the image distance, only radius of curvature is given. So that's why to convert, and now by using this radius of curvature we have to first find the focal length. So what is the formula for focal length in terms of the radius of curvature? That is f equal to half of the radius of curvature. So what is r here? 3 meters. So 3 meters by 2 is nothing but 1.5 meter. And to find the image distance, which is a suitable formula? Mirror formula, that is 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So don't apply these values directly in this equation. So before applying these values in this equation, you have to apply sign convention. To apply the sign convention, so now come to the diagram. So what are the incident rays? This is the incident ray direction. This is the incident ray direction. So here what is the focal length? 1.5. For the convex mirror, focal length positive or negative? I am going to check. So now the distance between the pole to focus will be known as what? Focal length. To measure the focal length, all the distance are measured from where? Pole. That's why I am measuring the distance from pole to focus. In which direction you are moving? In this direction. So nothing but this is the direction of incident ray. So that's why the focal length become positive. And after applying sign convention, after applying sign convention, so F become positive. That is how much? 1.5 meter. And let's come to the object distance. So where is the object? Here is the bus. So to measure the object distance from pole, in which direction you are moving? In this direction. That is nothing but opposite to the direction of incident ray. So that's why the U is negative. U is what? Negative. Minus 5 meters. So but you doesn't know the V. So that's why don't apply the sign convention for unknown values. And now substitute these values in this equation, then you get the image distance. So 1 by F. F means how much? 1.5 plus equal to 1 by V, unknown, that we have to find, plus 1 by U. U is nothing but minus 5. So 1 by 1.5 equal to 1 by V, plus into minus, minus 1 by 5. Now bring this minus 1 by 5 to the left side. So now it become plus. Already 1 by 1.5 is there. Now I am rewriting this equation, that will be like this, 10 by 15. So next, when this minus 1 by 5 will be come to the left side, it become plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by V. Now what is LCM of 15 and 5? 15. So now when we do the LCM, what we get? Here 10 and here 3. So equal to 1 by V. So when we simplify, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 15 equal to 1 by V. So now when I invert it, what you get? V equal to 15 by 13. 15 by 13 means what? 1.15. So 1.15 meter. Now the V is plus or minus. What sign you get? Plus. Plus means what? What type of image? It is a virtual. It is a virtual. It is a virtual. Virtual means where the image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, and nothing but inside the mirror. So the bus image will be formed. So virtual, and it is also erected. So now where the image is formed? Behind the mirror from pole to how much distance? 1.15 meter. So this is about the third problem. So now come to the fourth problem. So the fourth problem is, a student wants to project the image of candle. A student wants to project the image of candle flame on a screen 45 centimeter in front of a mirror by keeping the flame at a distance 12 centimeter from its pole. So a mirror is given, but that may be concave or convex. That is not given. So that's why imagine it is a spherical mirror, that may be convex or concave. So but what is given in this problem? Sorry. So now imagine it is a mirror. So which type of mirror you doesn't know. But so where the screen is going to be placed at 48 centimeter, and where the flame is to be kept 12 centimeter. And nothing but this is object distance and this is the image distance. So what is the object distance? U equal to 12 centimeter and V equal to 48 centimeter. And as well as, so when you read the problem, so you get one information, that is nothing but, so the screen is placed 48 centimeter from the pole of the mirror, and as well as the object is placed 12 centimeter from the pole of the mirror, and nothing but, so both the object and screen are on the same side. When the object and the screen and nothing but image are at the same side, so in which mirror it can be formed? Only in concave mirror. So I am explaining here. So now imagine this is a concave mirror. Now in the problem what is given? Where the screen is to be placed? 48 centimeter in front of a mirror. Now this is a mirror. In front of the mirror here he kept a screen. Let us imagine it is a screen. So the screen is how much far from the pole of the mirror? 48 centimeter. So why he was using the concave? Why he was using the screen? To catch the image candle. Nothing but he want to catch the image. Nothing but imagine. So this is the screen placed. Now on the screen he want to catch the image at 48 centimeter. So where he was keeping the object? So by keeping the flame at a distance 12 centimeter from its pole. Now from this pole, so where he was keeping the candle, let us imagine this is a candle after lightening. So this is kept at how much distance? 12 centimeter. When the candle is at 12 centimeter, this candle image is formed on the screen where at 48. So this is only possible in concave mirror. This is not the possible in convex. Why? So the convex mirror always form the virtual and erected image, and nothing but when we use the convex mirror, so in the convex mirror image can be formed behind the mirror. So there is no use of the screen. But to catch the image, when we are using screen, so that remember that is a concave mirror. So that's why, so suggest the type of the mirror he should use, and which type of mirror we have to suggest. So the first answer will be, so how much, that is, and what mirror you have to suggest. So we are suggested that mirror is a which mirror? Concave mirror. This is the first question answer. Next, coming to the second. So find the linear magnification of image produced. Find the linear magnification. So to find the linear magnification, so what is given here? Image distance is given, object distance. What is image distance? 48. What is object distance? 12. Now what is the, to find the linear magnification, what is the formula? M equal to, now I am discussing about the second one. So M equal to, what is the formula? Minus V by U. But don't substitute directly in this formula, because this is object distance, this is the image distance, you know, that's why, but the magnification is unknown. So that's why for U and V you have to apply sign convention. So apply the sign convention, this is a candle. So from the candle the incident rays are in this direction. So that's why, so the object distance is nothing but you have to measure from pole. So when you are measuring the object distance from pole to candle, so in which direction you are moving? Opposite incident ray. And as well as to measure the screen distance or nothing but image distance, in which direction you have to move? You have to move opposite direction of the incident ray. That is nothing but here, after applying sign convention, so U is nothing but minus 12 centimeter and V is nothing but minus 48 centimeter. Then substitute in this formula. So now M equal to minus V. V means minus 48 by U means minus 12. So 12 1 ja, 12 4 ja. So this minus will be cancelled. How much you got? Minus 4. And the magnification M equal to minus 4. So here magnification comes minus. Minus means it is a which type of image? It is the real and inverted image. And the candle image will be formed like this. So this is the image. Candle image. So let us imagine it is a flame. It is a candle. So now the magnification is how much? 4 times, and nothing but, so the size of the image will be the 4 times to the size of the object. So we are getting the magnification. Find the linear magnification of the image produced. So that's why we are, how much we got here? 4, and nothing but the size of the image will be 4 times the size of the object. And it is a which type of image? Real and inverted, and the image will be formed below the principal axis. This is about the linear magnification. Next, so what you have to find? Third one, how far the image from how far is the image from its object. How far is the image from its object, and nothing but, so the image will be how much distance from this object. How much distance? So this is totally 48 and this is 12. So from 48, when we subtract 12, how much you got? 48 minus 12. 48 minus 12. 48 minus 12. So 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. And how far it will be? Let us imagine x. How far it will be? It will be at 36 centimeter from the object. So how far is the image from its object? And from its object, the image is how far? 36 centimeter. So this is about the fourth problem. Now coming to the fifth problem. A spherical mirror produces in an image magnification -1. So this is a spherical mirror. So here in this problem not mentioned, so whether it is a concave mirror or convex mirror. So that's why we have to suggest. And next, on a screen, so a spherical mirror produces in an image magnification -1 on a screen placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from the mirror. So but to guess the mirror, what is given? Magnification is given. So here what is the magnification? -1. Okay, by guessing that, so what we have to tell the answers. So first answer we have to write the type of mirror, and second one, find the image distance, and third one, what is the focal length of the mirror. So to find these three questions, so what is given here in the problem? Magnification of mirror is given, and next one, the object distance is given. So what is the given? First you write. So what is the given? Magnification is represented with the letter M. M equal to how much? -1. And next one, what is given? Object distance. U equal to how much? 50 centimeter. So from the magnification you guess. So write the type of mirror. You can guess the answer for write the type of mirror. So for which mirror the magnification is minus? Already I told. So if M equal to minus means what? Minus means it is the real and as well as what? Inverted. So which mirror can form the real inverted image? Only the one mirror can form the real inverted image, that only the spherical mirror, that only can form the real and inverted image. So what is that? So that is a concave mirror. So the convex mirror cannot form the real image. So that's a write the type of mirror. So the first answer is, what is the first answer? Concave mirror. So the mirror type is a concave mirror. Okay. Next, what is the second question? Find the image distance. And we have to find the image distance V. And what is the third question? What is the focal length you have to find? So to find the image distance and focal length, what is given? Image distance, magnification is given, object distance given. So that's why which formula is suitable? So first, the magnification formula. So M equal to, what is the magnification formula? Minus V by U. Why you are using minus V by U instead of the height of the image by height of the object? Because you know here only U, that's why you are using, and M. So now before substituting these values in this equation, we have to use sign convention, and after applying sign convention, so now already you know that this is which type of mirror? Concave mirror. It is a concave mirror. It is a pole, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. So where the object is placed? At 50 centimeter. At 50 centimeter. So you doesn't know that is beyond the that is beyond the CR, between F and C, and between the P and F, at F, at C you doesn't know. But you can guess. U is nothing but what? Minus. Nothing but the object will be anywhere, but you doesn't know. First of all, I am imagining this is the object, and here the object is there. You doesn't know why, because you doesn't know the focal length. That's why where the object is to be kept, we can't guess. That's why just I am imagining for sign convention only. So now from the object the incident ray will be comes in this direction. After it will be after coming from the object, it will fall on the concave mirror. So from this what you guess? So you guess the sign convention of the object distance. So to measure the object distance, what is object distance? The distance between the pole and object. So to find the distance between the pole and object, in which direction you are moving? In this direction, but this is the direction exactly opposite to the incident ray. So that's why u is negative. That is how much? Minus 50 centimeter. Then after you have to substitute in this equation. What is m? Minus 1 equal to, so minus, what is v? You doesn't know, by u. What is u? U is nothing but minus 50. So this minus minus will be cancelled. When we do the cross product, so v equal to minus 1 into 50 and the minus 50 centimeter. And nothing but you are getting the minus. Minus is nothing but it is a which type of image? It is a real. Real means what? It is formed in front of the mirror. So where it is formed at 50 centimeter. And now we are guessing this is the object distance. What is the object distance? 50 centimeter. Now image is also formed at 50. And nothing but now you can guess. Now you can guess where is the image, where is the object. So the object distance is 50 centimeter. And again you calculated the image distance. That is also how much? That is also 50. And then now you can guess. So where is the object? The object is at C and the image is also formed at C. So where is the object? The image is also same, and you can also guess by using this equation. M equal to minus 1 means already in previous class I told. So 1 means minus C represent the nature of the object, so nature of the image or object, and as well as this number represent what? Number can be represent this can be give the relation between the size of the image and size of the object, and nothing but the size of the object equal to size of the image. This can be only happened when the object is at C. So now you find the image distance. Next come to the what is the focal length. You can guess easily. Why? So where the object is kept, at the same place the image is formed, and nothing but where is the object? At C, and nothing but already you know the distance between the pole to center of curvature. So that is how much? That is 50. That is how much? 50. So now radius of curvature is how much? 50. This plus 50 or minus 50? Minus 50. So now from this you can find the focal length. What is the focal length? F equal to R by 2. So that is nothing but minus 50 by 2. That is nothing but minus 25 centimeter. So what is the focal length? Minus 25 centimeter. So minus will be represent it is a concave mirror. So what is the focal length? 25. So if you know this thing, nothing but when the object is at C, the image is also formed at the C. You can't and you are unable to guess. So if you are unable to guess, to find the focal length, then you have to use the formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So again by using this formula also you can find the focal length. So I am telling here. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So 1 by f equal to what is v? V is nothing but already got, that is minus 50. So 1 by minus 50 plus 1 by u. U is how much? Minus 50. So 1 by f equal to minus 1 by 50 plus into minus 1 by 50. So 1 by f equal to how much? Minus 2 by 50. So then f equal to minus 50 by 2. That is how much? Minus 25 centimeter. And if you are unable to guess, then use this mirror formula. Then also you can find the answer. So this is about the problems of concave mirror and convex mirror.
Like a Hellcat.